Hey there, Southern Eats family. Welcome back to the channel where we turn simple ingredients into soul-satisfying meals that bring people together. I'm Amelia, your host, and today we're diving into a classic that's got that perfect blend of comfort and kick, homemade chicken enchiladas. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by cooking from scratch, this recipe is your game changer. It's quick, customizable, and packed with flavor that'll have your taste buds doing a victory dance. Stick around for the next 10 minutes and I'll show you how to master this dish like a pro. 10 minutes will be a worthwhile investment, you'll see. Let's get cooking, because great food starts with you. Before we roll up our sleeves, let's talk origins. Enchiladas trace their roots back to the ancient Mayans and Aztecs in Mexico, where corn tortillas were a staple. They'd wrap them around small fish or beans, dipping them in chili sauce. Simple yet genius. Fast forward to the 19th century, and enchiladas evolved in Mexican cuisine, with enchilada meaning seasoned with chili. When they hit the US, especially in the Southwest, they got that Tex-Mex twist we love today. Cheesier, meatier, and oh so hearty. This dish isn't just food, it's a story of cultures blending, resilience, and flavor innovation. And today we're honoring that heritage while making it easy for your busy life. You got this! All right, champions of the kitchen, let's gear up with our ingredients. This recipe serves 4 to 6 and preps in under 30 minutes thanks to our hack. You'll need 2 cups shredded rotisserie chicken. That's our time saver. Grab one from the store and shred it in seconds. 8 to 10 corn tortillas. Flour works too if you like softer. 2 cups shredded cheese, cheddar or Monterey Jack for that melty goodness. 1 diced onion, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, drained, optional for filling, fresh chopped cilantro, for garnish. For the sauce, 2 cups classic red enchilada sauce, store-bought or homemade, we'll touch on that. Optional add-ins, diced green chilies, corn or bell peppers for extra flair. Pro tip, using rotisserie chicken cuts your cook time in half. Less cleanup too. Step 1, prep your filling. This should take about 5 minutes. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Toss in your diced onion and minced garlic. Sauté until fragrant and golden. That's the aroma that'll pull everyone into the kitchen. Add your shredded rotisserie chicken, a pinch of cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Stir in those black beans if you're using them for a protein boost. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until everything's warmed and mingled. Taste it, adjust seasonings. Boom, filling done, you're building flavors like a boss. Step 2, sauce it up, only takes a few minutes. Today we're going classic with red enchilada sauce. Pour half into the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish to prevent sticking. If you're making it homemade, blend tomatoes, chilies, garlic, and spices. But store-bought is fine for speed. Remember, enchiladas are forgiving. Step 3, assemble. This step takes around 5 minutes. Warm your tortillas in the microwave for 30 seconds to make them pliable. No cracking here. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of filling into each, sprinkle some cheese, and roll them up tight. It is important to place seam side down in the dish to help keep the form. Repeat until filled. Pour the remaining sauce over top, then blanket with the rest of that delicious shredded cheese. I am starting to get excited. How about y'all? Step 4, bake to perfection. 20 minutes hands off. Pop it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly and golden. While it's baking, you've got time to set the table or scroll our channel for more inspo. Smell that? That's success baking. Hack alert, if you're short on time, prep the filling a day ahead. Rotisserie chicken makes this a weeknight warrior for busy moms and dads who could use a little more of that precious time. Work and life can be tough, so we want to make this easy for y'all. Now, let's level up your enchilada game with options. We're using classic red sauce today. Tangy, tomato-based, with a mild heat that's crowd-pleasing. But switch it up. Go green with tomatillo-based sauce for a fresh, zesty twist. Perfect for summer vibes. Try sour cream sauce for creamy, indulgent comfort. Mix sour cream, chicken broth, and green chilies. Or dive into mole for deep, chocolatey complexity. It's advanced, but rewarding. Have you ever tried mole? I absolutely love getting it at Tex-Mex restaurants. Whatever you choose, start simple and experiment. Your kitchen, your rules, own it. No enchilada feast is complete without sides. Beans and rice are MVPs. Refried beans for creaminess, Spanish rice for that fluffy, tomato-infused base. Serve with chips and salsa for crunch, or level up with our restaurant-style guac recipe right here on the channel. Link in the description. Garnish your enchiladas with fresh cilantro, diced onions, or a dollop of sour cream. Plate it family style and watch the smiles multiply. This meal isn't just food, it's fuel for connection. All right, take a bite with me. That cheesy pull, the tender chicken, the sauce explosion. You did this, homemade chicken enchiladas, conquered. If this fired you up, hit that like button, subscribe to It's Southern Eats for more easy Southern twists on classics, and drop a comment. What's your favorite sauce variation? Check out our guac video next. Remember, every great meal starts with one step, yours. Thanks for cooking with us. See you in the next one.